Okay, today is Friday, May 23rd, and I'm at Fox Plaza, 7th floor, to give the city attorney's office my claim for all the illegal things that happened to me on 11/27/2013 at San Francisco General, against, all the parties, and you can watch the video here on YouTube. You must remember that this all concerns a false and illegal 5150 that happened and me trying to receive the medical records for that false 5150. You must also realize that there are plenty of videos of me going in and requesting my medical records at San Francisco General only to be illegally denied. The reason I bring this up is because if you watch the video here on YouTube of the Ministry of Sunshine on 5/19/2014, you will see where, it is told to the Ministry of Sunshine that it is not required that I sign a HIPAA release form in order for me to get my medical records, and that policy, supposed policy, carries throughout the entire DPH arena. Now, when they say policy, please realize that I will be asking for, this exclusionary clause policy or 1% policy or whatever their fictitious claims are as far as access and accommodation, considering that it has not been up until this point that they've actually admitted to the truth that I am not required by law to sign a HIPAA form. Whether, you choose to believe their tomfoolery that, they're making an accommodation, you need to go back and search the records and ask yourself, if this was truly true, why have I been repeatedly denied my medical records at Tom Waddell, repeatedly taking them up to Sunshine in regard to them, continually been abused by not only them, but the ministry's incorrect processes and, apparent unknowledgeable, knowledge of the law. As a matter of fact, if you go to sfgov.org, which gets you to the city's main website, you can click on agencies, you can go down to the Sunshine Task Force, and at that particular point in time, you can go in and look for the full audio for May 2nd, I believe, 2012. You gotta remember, this was the last meeting before the nuclear winter at the Ministry of Sunshine, which didn't reopen, I believe, until November of 2012. Anyway, regardless, at the 4-hour and 12-minute is where I believe my cases start. 2 separate cases against the Department of Public Health for denial of medical records, 11070 and 11081. You will note where they get up and testify that I must, under federal law, sign a HIPAA release form in order to get my medical records. And it was their expert testimony, Ms. Glaycorn, which, as if you'll also look, like I said, at the Ministry of Sunshine's tape on 5/19, you'll see a total, what was her representation, allowance, the 1% that I fit into. Keep drinking the Kool-Aid, folks. Anyway, here I am to file my paperwork so that it's timely and, everything will be ready. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm actually okay. I was here a while ago, and you were the person I gave my paperwork to, so I just want to do it again.
Oh, okay.
It's for a claim against the city.
Okay.
And could you please, I brought you the blue copy for you guys. It's 2 pages because it has, an attachment in the back for section number 9.
Uh-huh.
So could you, how many copies do you need? Just one for you?
One. Just
Okay,
everything.
so on my 3 copies,
Uh-huh.
could you stamp the front and the second page also?
Okay.
On each of them?
Okay.
Wunderbar, wunderbar. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, mind you, I repeatedly show this to you guys. This is what hangs in their office as far as, thank you, disability sensitivity training, all these other illusions. Do you have any questions? Contact the Mayor's Office of Disability. Well, go back and look at the videos on the Mayor's Office of Disability to realize what a farce that is. And, how it depends on what your definition of disability sensitivity is, If your disability sensitivity to the disabled is totally turned off, well, what can I tell you? Anyway, thank you. I wanted to show you that. I did receive the copy of my claim back, and I am ready to go and continue. Thanks.